bodies. I ain't never give a fuck, motherfucker, anybody. I was in the club with a bitch.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are finishing the R6. And I know what you're thinking, dude, when'd you even get an R6? Well, it's a funny story, but not actually funny, actually quite tragic. So I got it in September, like September 19th, I believe. And when I got it, it looked like this. And it's pretty dope. I started doing some mods. This is what it looked like a couple weeks later. And October 9th, it got stolen. It got stolen. So it lasted like, what, like 2.5 weeks? I hadn't even gotten it registered yet. And yeah, I was really sad about it. I'm not gonna lie. Cause like I literally just bought it. It was my bike and like, and yeah, I thought I was never gonna see it again. But like a month later, I literally moved since then. Like this is the new crib. It's my roommate's car. It's pretty sick. But so yeah, I never thought I was gonna see the bike again. And then after moving here, like a month into moving here, like a month and a half after it had gotten stolen, I got a phone call from the police and they found it crashed into a fence, like an hour away from where I used to live. So, I mean, I was excited they found my bike, but obviously I wasn't excited to find it crash into a fence. And then I was like, so like, did you find anybody on it? And they're like, no, they got away. So like, why didn't they at least die when they crashed, you know? So yeah, I went and picked it up. And I was hoping for the best. I was really hoping that since it was just a fence and like they survived, it wouldn't be that bad, right? And then I got to the tow yard. They charged me $950 to get my stolen bike back, which is ridiculous. And it came back looking like this. So yeah, I was a little upset. Like my brand new bike is already destroyed, but obviously, it's not gone. When I got it back, that was about a month-ish ago. And this is what it's looking like right now. It's looking pretty good. It's all driving and running and everything. I've replaced a ton of stuff already. It is all ready to go, except for the fairings, which we have right here. We went with black. It's gonna look so gas. I'm so excited, and that's what this video is gonna be. The only disappointing part is I bought these fairings thinking that they were gonna have gold R6 stickers on them, because that's what they showed. But where's the stickers, dude? I got scammed, but regardless, it'll look gas. I'm excited. Let's get this John going. Couple hours in, this is what it's looking like. We've acquired some help. They've been working on the back and I've been working on the front. Right. I promise they're working. But yeah. So unfortunately the camera died last night, but the R6, it's done. The R6 is rebuilt. Everything worked out great, except for some reason my turn signals just don't work anymore. So that's cool. It's cool that one of the things that need to pass inspection just decided to stop working. But I think I might just need a new battery because it keeps dying like all the time. So hopefully when I get that, that'll fix. And yeah, so now that it's done, just need to get it registered so it can actually be street legal. But we already rode it once, of course. I rode it to the gym this morning, so that was pretty gas. Luckily, nothing flew off. I went like 80, so that's good. And my GoPro stayed on, so that's sick. So I can show you guys that footage right after this. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to actually finally be able to make bike content because it's back. The R6 is back, and god damn does it look good. It looks better than ever. Yeah. Honestly, it's really badly set up, so I don't know how the GoPro will work. It doesn't seem very secure, I'm not gonna lie.
Fuck. I'm scared. Couldn't take it on the road. I don't want my GoPro to fall off. That sucks. Dude, it's so nice. Oh my god, dude. I can't believe my bike is back, bro. It sounds fucking sick as hell now, dude. It looks way better than it did before. With the bump. Alright, fuck it. Seems like it's staying on. One of my turn signals good. So like there's so many cops here and I'm riding a bike with no plate. Right on, I won't leave a brake room. I don't even have 91 here. Fuck.
And yeah, that's all for the video today. Hope you guys enjoyed a little story of my R6 and the rebuild. Super excited that it's back now. Looking forward to actually being able to make bike content. That's gonna be dope. And I hope you guys stick around, subscribe. I'm actually gonna start posting on YouTube more. I wanna start posting on YouTube because like TikTok freaking sucks for me. I got like 500K and get like 1,000 views. And that ain't gonna cut it, dude. But yeah, I want to be an influencer, so like follow me so I can be an influencer, please. I promise I'll just keep buying cool stuff with the money I get from it. So like, you don't want to miss out. Join now, then you can say you're an OG. That's all for the video. Doodles.
I'm sipping on red, damn it, I'm a leaner. She said that I'm mean, wait until I turn meaner. Pull up on the scene, 40 on